I'm Emma with Really Simple Recipes, and today I'm going to show you how to make your mince pie filling. And this recipe is really simple. There's no waiting for 2 weeks or a month or keep stirring and adding more brandy. You can make it today and you can fill your pies today. It is that simple. If you want to know how to make your pastry as well, I have done a recipe on that. Go over to my channel and check that out. And if you want to see more Christmas recipes, I'm hoping to keep them going all the way through November and December. Do subscribe to the channel. I know you're probably looking at all these ingredients and thinking, wow, it's a lot of ingredients. This looks like it's going to be complicated. I promise you now, it is really simple. As my channel says, these recipes are really simple. And the good thing about making your own mincemeat is it just gives it that extra special touch. If you want to give some to your family, to your friends, or take them into your workplace, it's just nice to say, do you know what, I made everything including the mincemeat. So the ingredients that I have, I'll just run through them. We've got some Mascaro dark sugar, some nutmeg, cinnamon, mixed spice, an orange and apple and a lemon, a little bit of apple juice, some dates, goji berries and some mixed fruit. And the mixed fruit I'm using is this one. So I've chose one with just raisins, currants and sultanas, and also your mixed peel in there as well, because that's your main base for your mincemeat. Okay, so let's get cracking with this recipe. We'll make a start first with our orange, apple and our lemon, and it's really easy. All we're going to do is grate the zest off the orange and the lemon and grate the apple. So it's really, really simple to do. So I'm just going to grate it straight into the pan. It doesn't matter about the peel, leave the peel on, that's absolutely fine. And just give it a good grate. Okay, so that's my apple done. I have used a Bramley apple, but it's totally up to you. If you want to use a different kind of apple, absolutely fine. And what we're going to do now is just get the zest of the orange in there. So these are all your Christmassy flavours, your oranges and your apples. So just get that zest in there, it's all peeled off. And what we'll do as well, we'll cut it in half and get the juice out as well. Try not to break your fingers while doing this. Also, when purchasing your oranges and your lemons, just make sure you get the ones that aren't treated, if you can, the organic ones, and also make sure you give them a good wash as well. There we go. Make sure we get as much off as we can, but I don't want the end of it. That's my orange zest all done. And then we'll just cut that in half. Got a feeling it's not going to fit in my so. Yeah, we'll give it a squeeze anyway. That's worked quite well actually. And we go give that a good squeeze, get your orange juice out there. There we go. And same with the other half, want all the orange in there. Okay, it's my orange. So now I need to do my lemon. Let's give that another quick squeeze to make sure I've got everything out there that I can. There we go. So what we need to do now is exactly the same with your lemon. So we're just going to zest that in there. This is the most difficult part, by the way. This is it. Okay, that'll do for my lemon, I think, as well. Make sure I get all that out. A bit messy, as always. Wouldn't be Emma's recipes without mess. And then we'll do the same as we did with the orange. Just give it a cut in half and squeeze out your lemon juice. squeeze and get it all out. There we go, that's that done. Okay, so that's my orange, my apple and my lemon done. Okay, let's give that a bit of a stir around. Now it's time to add in our final ingredients. Oh, it smells yummy. So we're going to add in our goji berries. So goji berries are personal choice. You can use cherries, you can use cranberries, you can use whatever dry fruit that you want to replace with. I just wanted to make it a little bit different and use some goji berries. Same with your dried fruit. If you don't want to use a mixed fruit bag, you don't like the peel for instance, you could easily make up the weight by combining different fruits. So you could use raisins separately, sultanas separately, currants separately. I just like to do it all in one big batch so that it's a bit easier with there being so many ingredients in there. Okay, so let's add in our dates. Again, I've decided to use dates. You can use figs if you prefer to use figs. I'm just a date addict, I love dates. Put them in there as well. So making this, it reminds me of being young. I remember me and my brother used to help my mum make mince pies, and we used to argue over who got to put the filling in, because the filling was the best bit to do when you were younger. Getting 2 teaspoons and knocking it in. It used to be great. Okay, so let's add in the rest of your ingredients. So your dark sugar, and that's our cinnamon, nutmeg. Again, if you don't want nutmeg, use a bit of ginger. Change it to your preference. And there's some mixed spice. Just give that a mix. So right now I've got lovely colours of Christmas. Okay, I'm just going to add in our final ingredient, which is apple juice. So again, personal preference. So I've gone for a non-alcoholic version. If you want, you can change your apple juice to brandy or whiskey or port. I'm not a massive fan of alcohol in my food, so I just wanted it to be nice and alcohol free. And you can see there already it's starting to resemble mincemeat. There's lovely Christmassy colours in there, the reds and the browns and the yellows and the oranges. Okay, so we're going to put this on the hob now. We're going to stick it on for around 45 minutes. We're looking for it to go sticky, so it's going to be that lovely kind of like sticky texture. And hopefully your house will smell like Christmas while this is cooking on the stove. So let's get this on, and that is it. It's as simple as that. This has been on now for about 15 minutes. Excuse my phone, just getting steamy. So you can see there straight away it's starting to get nice and sticky. So that's looking really, really good. So just make sure that you're coming over every now and again to give it a good stir. So it's now been 45 minutes. My mince pie filling has finished. My house smells glorious. It smells so Christmassy. It's lovely. And you can see there, the mince pie filling is absolutely perfect. It's sticky. It's not coming off the spoon. It's got your reds, your yellows, your oranges and your browns. Really Christmassy. So all we need to do now is let that cool down. That'll store in the fridge for quite a long time. Alternatively, if you want to go ahead and start making mince pies, just make sure it's fully cool and it's perfect to start using it for your mince pies now. If you want to know how to make your pastry for mince pies, link in the top corner. That'll direct you to the recipe on how I make my mince pie pastry. And it's as simple as that, mince pie filling. I really hope you've enjoyed this one today. I know I have. I'm really enjoying the smells, especially in my house, making me feel really Christmassy and warm inside, which is always nice. If you have, just give me a like. And if you want to see even more really simple plant-based recipes, I do have more Christmas recipes coming. Do subscribe to my channel. And if you've got any comments, any questions, any feedback, or you've got any Christmas stories that you'd like to share with me, I know we're in November, but please do share them as well. Thank you for watching my video.